Do you want to know how to report Pldt no internet connection via Facebook Messenger? Watch this video until the end and learn how to report Pldt no internet via Facebook Messenger. Hi, welcome to Pldt channel. For this video, I will show you how to report Pldt no internet connection via Messenger. To report, open your computer or mobile phone browser. Type in the browser's address bar www.facebook.com or open your Facebook Messenger. On your Facebook account, go to Messenger and then type in the search bar Pldt Home. On the Pldt Home chat, select this button and then choose the Back to Main menu option. Select the I accept button. Select the Yes button. Select the Proceed button. Make sure that you already have your Pldt account number and telephone number before selecting the Proceed button. Input the area code and telephone number of your Pldt account. Input your 10-digit Pldt account number. Select the Report a Problem button. Select the Yes button to continue. Select the Yes button and wait until you are connected to a Pldt customer service representative. Once you are connected, message your specific concern to the agent. Wait for a few minutes while the agent is checking your account. Just provide the needed details to the agent. Congratulations! You have successfully reported Pldt internet connection problem using Facebook Messenger. I hope this video helps you. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Pldt Tutorial TV now.